Namaste. Let's begin 10-minute yoga flow for beginner. Sit down on your mat in any comfortable posture. Close your eyes. Inhale, bring your arms up and give a good stretch to the body. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up, giving nice stretch all over your back. Exhale down, releasing any tension from your back, your shoulders, warming up and getting ready for yoga practice. Bring your hands down. Now bring your right arm up, grab with your left hand, pull up and bend towards the left, giving stretch onto the right side. Come back to the center. Now grab your left hand with your right hand, pull up and exhale, bend to the right, giving a stretch to the left. One more time, grabbing right hand, stretching the right, bending to the left, and the left, grabbing the left hand and bending to the right, stretch on the left. Bring the hands down, bringing right hand up, bend the elbow, grab your elbow with your left hand this time, and one more time, similar stretch. This time your elbow is bent. Left side, inhale, exhale, bend to the right. Back to the center. One more time. Grabbing the right elbow. Left side. Very good. Come back. Interlock your fingers, rotate your shoulders, releasing any further tension that you might have. Releasing the tension from back, shoulders, counterclockwise. Now open your hands and bend them. Touch your shoulders and open your hands. Do that for 3 to 5 times. And bring the hands by the side. Repeat the same 3 to 5 times. Bring your fingers onto your shoulders and rotate your shoulders as wide circle as possible. Further warm up for your shoulders, your back. Anti-clockwise. Bring your hands onto your knees, close your eyes for a moment. And interlock your fingers and swing side by side, releasing any other tension that you may receive from your work, from your sleeping, or even right now from doing some exercises, releasing the tension. Now begin to rotate your lower back, loosening up spinal cord, lower back. The circle can be as big or small as you feel good in your body. Now go into Vajrasana. We will do slight challenging arm work. Bring the palm on the ground, lift the hips up, knee onto your hands, and we are rocking back and forth to give slight pressure onto your arms, onto your wrist, going back and forth without lifting the legs just yet. 10 to 15 times. Then kneel on your knees, interlock your fingers, elbows on the ground, and lift your hips up. Then, with exhale, bring your chest towards the hand, hip remains towards the sky, and with inhale, hips up and chest going away from the hands. Exhale down, inhale up. You can do between 10 to 50 depending on how much yoga practice you want to do today. Exhaling down, bringing your chest towards the hand. Inhaling, lifting the hips up, going almost into downward dog. Kneel down your knees. We will do the arm work in crow one more time, bringing the knee behind your upper arm and rocking back and forth. Forward, backward. Forward, backward. Now bring your hands slightly forward. Extend your legs out, away from the body, into plank. Kneel down, take a rest for between 5 to 10 seconds and go back up. You can hold between 10 seconds to up to 60 seconds. Kneel down whenever you need. And you can repeat that 3 to up to 5 times. Kneel down. And one more time. Come down. Now go into Vajrasana. Open your knees and stretch your hands all the way out. Forehead down and rest. Come back whenever you're ready. That was our 10-minute yoga flow for beginner. Namaste.